Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. This is Tarot by Chetan, and today I'm going to do a pick a card reading on your love life and what's coming in your love life and what you can do to improve it. So please pick a pile, and I'm going to give you some time. Just take it, pick a pile, whichever you liking the most, and we will start with your reading soon. So for those who choose the pile number 1 or who choose the rose quartz, here are your readings. So let me start with the tarot cards. Sweet. Uh, First I'm getting the Knight of Cups, which indicate that someone is definitely coming to your love life if you are not in a love or relationship, and if you are in a relationship, it will be like the other person is coming to you by bringing you a gift that you wanted, and or he's going to show off in front of others that he likes you, something like that. That one of the things that is coming your way. Second thing, Third of Pentacles, I'm seeing in your relationship there's other persons also involved. Maybe your relationship is like open relationship and is being known to others, and you may be supported by the other person or the other people to help you in your relationship. Or what I'm feeling here, if you want to take this relationship to your family, I think that is the right time. Or should I say, you can also take the help of your friends if you want to do so. That the one thing that I'm getting. And yes, you can take help of your friends if you are any kind of any situation regarding a relationship. They will help you clarify the things between yourself. But yeah, that's the right time. Again, the Page of Sword, I am indicating that a young energy and a mindful person. So either one of you is very intelligent person who always think before acting, and he always look back that what he had done in the past and what he will do now. He always keep a track of the things so that nothing will go out of the situation. And what I'm feeling here is that a situation will going to arise, and either you or your partner is going to handle it very carefully. You can take the help of your friends or family too. And I'm getting the King of Cups, which indicate that emotional stability will be there in your relationships, and uh, the emotions are in your relationship are very strong. It is not shaken by the other person, and it's feeling like you are happy with your relationship, or you're going to be happy in your relationship, because whatever is coming in your relationship is going to be good for you. Two of Wands, again, which indicate that you guys are hoping for something. I think there's going to be a step ahead in a relationship, maybe taking it to your parents or marriage, or taking some kind of commitment. So I will say a step ahead is definitely coming in your relationship, and the other person or you is going to take a step towards your relationship to move it further. That what I am seeing here, and that's a good thing. These are the good cards. And again, I got the Two of Cups, which indicate a kind of union or marriage. Maybe some of your relationship may turn into marriage for some of you. For some of you, you are going to farm peace and harmony in a relationship in the coming days. And in short, relationship wise, these days are going to good for you. Okay, for those are single, you may find a person attractive, or you may approach him, something like that. I'm seeing for the singles. And yeah, you're definitely going to get someone in your life for this, and it depend on you, you want it or not. The advice that I'm having for you first is that, oh, I got three for you. Conclusions are within reach. So again, if you want to take a step ahead in your relationship, you can go with it. Even the cards are saying that hold your vision, whatever you want to do, just hold it. You can, you know, fulfill it. Just hold it in your mind, and soon things will be on. A win-win outcome is forecast. So finally I will say that there is something that you are working on in your relationship and that is going to happen. And the advice is that just be consistent about the things that you want to do and you're going to achieve it soon. Now this last card is going to represent what you're going to do regarding your relationship, and it's a transition. So I think definitely something is changing. So you may turn your relationship from a normal girlfriend and boyfriends to something major uh, like marriage. So I'm also seeing transition cancer. There will be definitely an emotional stability that I'm seeing, and transition. I'm seeing that a candle with ribbon. So you can just wish for these kind of thing by burning a candle, and the thing may go in your way that I'm seeing for you. And yeah, there's a reading for you. Hope you like it, and I will see you in my next video. And please subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye. So for those who choose the pile number 2 or the amethyst crystal, here is your reading. Okay, the first thing that I'm seeing for you is the Five of Pentacles, which indicate that there may be some kind of hurdles or in your love life that are going to come in your way, and make sure to handle them carefully, because you have to trust each other to go through that situation. If you do not trust each other, things may go worse. So it's better you trust each other. Maybe there is some kind of financial thing going on the other person life, but you are not understanding it, so please try to understand it. Okay, Three of Swords. So I am seeing some kind of breakup or a hurt in your relationship. So you're going to hurt a lot in your relationship in the coming days, because the other person may leave you. As you can see here, that person is running behind him, so he can't do anything. But I am getting a feeling that this person is leaving him, but you are coming back to him. So that's why you are going to hurt a lot. Don't hurt your feelings, because maybe the other person is going for their better good, or should I say their financial condition are not good, and because of that they are going there. Again, the Eight of Swords, things are not good in a relationship and you are going to feel bound. So if you feel some kind of restraint in your relationship, you can go away, but the other person will not let you go away. So I'm feeling that this is a kind of mixed situation that I'm feeling here, is that neither you can go away if you want to go, uh, nor you can remain there. So the situation is very intense, and I'm seeing you are feeling bounded and confused regarding the things that what you can do. It's like there's nothing ahead you can see, and there's definitely a lot of things going on to you. And the next card for you is a Page of Pentacles. Later a hope will definitely arise, and I'm seeing that either one of you is definitely looking at your financial situation or looking at your career, that I'm seeing from it here. And because of that, the things got messy in your relationship, and that is not going well in your way. So I'm seeing a hope later on. A situation will arise that will help you to overcome this. And Queen of Wands. So this indicates that your beauty, or whatever that direction the other person feels about you, that person is going to come back to you because of that. Because there is some kind of attachment you can't feel. Okay, an attachment you can't feel, but there is a kind of attachment. Because of that, she's going to come back. Maybe I'm seeing there may be some kind of spells involved. Maybe you will do some or perform some rituals to bring him back, something like that, and he may get attracted to you. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, the advice that I'm having for you is that what do you need to release. See, there's a lot of thing happening in your relationship, and if there is something you can't take it, just please release it. What Release all the negativity that you are having, please, and that will help you. Your hard work is paying off, which indicate that whatever you do to achieve or protect this relationship, that is going to work. So if you want to protect this relationship, just working in that direction and you are going to achieve it. But here is the thing, there's a lot of pain and hurtful or stress or should I say feelings are going to come in your relationship soon, and it's better you release those feelings. Just be there and feel them, that what you can do. So this card is going to represent what you can do regarding your relationship to save it, or what you, yes, or to improve it. So the card is communication. So this card indicates that please make sure to, if you want to save this relationship or protect this relationship, just make sure you should write to that person a text. You should just communicate with him, because if you are not talking to each other, that is not the good time to do that, because then most probably the breakup kind of things will happen. But if you want a communication, if you want to be in a relationship, just be communicative with the person. If the other person is not even texting you, text him. Just don't disturb him, text him in a one time a day, something like that. Just try to be communicative. What else I'm keen see is that yeah, love messages, yeah, this all I'm seeing. Okay, so I think there may be some kind of communication block, and you can do it by using a simple spell if you want. And I think, as you can see here, these peas are just ripe off and now ready to go. So you can perform these kind of thing. You just communicate him now, and you are going to get a good response. Okay, so these are the thing that I'm seeing for you, and make sure you apply the alternative communication method if the things are not okay. So yeah, there's a reading for you. Hope you like it, and please come subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. So for those who choose the pile number 3, here are your readings. So the first card that I'm having for you is the stars, and I'm seeing there is a hope in your relationship, or you are searching for a hope to work in your relationship. I am seeing the things is at balance at this time, and whatever you are in a relationship or single, things will come to you at the right time if you are single, and if you are in a relationship, there's a balance going on in your relationship at this time, and but somewhere a hope is there, that hope of something. And let me see the other cards. Page of Cups. I think you are waiting for some kind of miracle in your relationship, that all of a sudden the other person is going to take care of you or message you, something like that, that I'm seeing. But you want the other person to do that. You don't want to do this thing, but you want that the other person is going to do that, and that, I think that's what you're hoping for. The other person sending you a message, something like that, that you're hoping for. Otherwise, I'm seeing the things are wavy at this time. No, matlab, neither low and high is going on in your relationship, and that's what I'm seeing. The Hangman again. I think your relationship is not moving on at this time, and it being stuck at a point, and one of the reason you want a message from the other person, because either something has ended, or there is some kind of stuck, or this kind of hold of things at this time, and it really, you want a message from the other person, and that one I'm seeing for you. I think your relationship may come to an hold, or come to a point where no one is talking to each other, and you just want to get a message from each other, something like that I'm seeing. The other card is the Six of Swords. From that I'm seeing either two of you are going away from each other because of the communication gap that you are having, and yeah, and if you want to move on from your relationship, this is the right time to move on your relationship. I am seeing that either one of you is going to travel or going away from each other. The advice that I'm having for you is a time of healing. Either you got separated, if not, it's the time you just get You just get a time for yourself, do meditation and heal yourself, because this relationship is either not working out or at this time not in a good condition. So because of that you need to do that. So here's the card which will say what you need to do to save this relationship or protect this relationship if you want. This card says strength. So I think something has happened, because of that you lose your strength, and it will be better if you have a strength. I'm seeing a sword here which indicates that you got hurt in the past or you are going to hurt in the future. So be careful. What you can do, save this relationship, just be in your strength. Be powerful. Do not let the other person told you what you can do. Okay, just be powerful that you can do. And the other thing that I'm seeing for you is that shared success and completion and grounding. So yeah, grounding, do meditation, do something like that, because you need strength in your relationship and that is lacking. Just do one thing, build a friendship between yourself. If you are saying there's a lot of gap in between you, just try to build a friendship and things may get out later. The other thing that I'm getting for you is that for getting the energy, you just do the grounding process and just do the meditation, and you will feel that the things will improve in your relationship. Maybe you need some time, you need a little gap or little space from your relationship. Okay, I think be careful here not to work too hard into these matter. If the other person is not trying to be there, just do your thing. If the other person is happy or want to come to you, you can come back, and I am just getting there. Okay, so that's the message for pile number 3. And please follow my Instagram and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.